district. Today we are going to discuss about speak out. Speak out means an event in which people publicly share their experiences of or views on an issue. 12 tips to speak up will help you think about what you want to happen. It will give you ideas about how to speak up. The first one, think about why you are speaking up. Think about what you want to happen and why. Be as clear as you can. Second one, find things out. Before you do anything, it is good to get some information. Know the facts before you speak up. If there is something you do not know, you can find out. Third one, know who to talk to. If you want to something to happen, you need to speak to the right person. Find out who the best person is to get what you want. Fourth one, choose the time you speak up. Choose the time to speak up. Do not rush to speak up. Make sure that you are ready. Fifth one, have a plan. If you have a meeting, think about what you will say, what you want to happen, what is okay. Write down a list of the things you. Sixth one, do not go by yourself. It is hard to speak up about something. You can forget things. It is hard to write things down and talk at the same time. Make sure they know. Seventh one, do not get angry. You are more likely to get what you want if you do not get angry. Stick to the facts. Do not. Eighth one, say what you want to happen. It can help you get what you want if you can say what you think. Ninth one, be clear about when things will happen. It can help you if it is clear when things will happen. 10th one, keep notes. If you talk to someone, write down who they are, when you spoke to them, and the main points they said. Write down what you do to speak up. 11th one, keep trying. You could get help from someone. Think about someone else you could talk to. Some things take a long time to change. It is good to check what is happening. You can contact them if they did not do what they said they would. Keep trying is 11th one. Last one, 12th. Do not speak up about everything. We all have a small amount of time. Speak up about the things that matter the most. Do not speak up about everything. Speak like Hitler. See the picture. How he was speaking to the soldiers. Speak like Hitler. Public speaking, fearful? No. Get confident. Be confident. Nail your public speaking. See the picture. Preparation is like speak out. Speak out is more important everywhere and anywhere to share our feelings and ideas. Thank you for watching this video. Speak out.